Alright guys, welcome to our Star Wars family channel and our live Taal Volcano update. Just want to give you a quick look from the outside, guys. We are here at the new Bulalo capital. So this is their newest location here in Tagaytay, and I'm going to take you down and show you the view of Taal Volcano from here. It's a brand new place, guys. It just opened this weekend, but it now probably has, once again, one of the best views of Taal. Unfortunately, it is a little hazy. As you know, we've had fairly regular activity lately, and so there is a bit of fog or haze. But yeah, you have observation deck here, also where their parking is. I'll take you over to the view. As you know, we are at alert level 3 now due to the small eruption we had a few days ago. So that status has not changed. So as always, guys, we'll try to give you the best look as we can possible. But yeah, at this perspective, you really don't see a lot of emissions from here, but clearly there's the smog in the air, guys. So apologize, it's not the clearest view that we normally have, but it is another great view, guys. So while we get people joining here, I just want to reiterate, we are here at the newest Bulalo capital here in Tagaytay. Literally just opened this weekend, guys. Has a wraparound restaurant with very scenic views. And yeah, guys, this is the current view. So if you're just tuning in, this is at 12:30 Tuesday, July 6th.
12:30, tama. Ayan po mga kabatang, update lang po. As of ngayon po, wala po tayong nakikitang usok or steaming ni Taal na visible from Tagaytay po. Ningal ako. Okay. Napakainit, pero kaninang umaga, ang sabi po ng mga taga dito sa Bulalo Capital, zero visibility po yan. But as of the moment, makita nyo naman po, medyo clear na siya. Hindi ganun ka-clear gaya ng ibang araw, pero at least makita nyo na yung bulkan. Ngayon, ang sulfur emissions natin is bumaba ng 5,000 from 22,600 kahapon. Pero sabi nga po ng mga volcanologists, hindi tayo dapat makampante dahil hindi yan sign na okay na.
We will try to zoom in, guys. I realize this view isn't as clear as usual due to the haze.
Pag makikita nyo po, hazy pa din tignan. Hindi kagaya ng mga ibang araw na talagang clear. Pero ngayon po, as of the moment, again, 12:30 ng tanghali, July 6, Tuesday. Wala pong emissions pa si Taal. Walang steam.
So we had a lot of people asking us why we weren't live sooner. Yeah, guys, as always, we'll always take the safety of our family first. Obviously, when the small eruption or release happened, we were prepping our house in case we needed to evacuate.
Opo, nung sumabog nung July 1, nagulat din kami kasi kung nanonood po kayo nung giveaway namin, naka-live kami noon, tapos pagkatapos nung live namin nung giveaway, biglang marami nang ang post na sumabog si Taal. So syempre, impake agad kami dahil di namin alam kung anong mangyayari. Gusto po naming unahan kung sakaling magkaka-ashfall gaya nung 2020 eruption. Ayaw po naming ma-stuck sa daan na sobrang maputik na at napaka-traffic palabas ng Tagaytay. Pero ayan po, as of the moment po, ito po yung live view ng Taal. Para makita nyo po, wala po siyang steaming as of 12:30 ng tanghali, July 6, Martes. May napabalitang fish kill pero i-verify pa po yan ng parang ABS-CBN ko yata nakita. Pero i-verify pa po yan ng proper news authority. Walang anuman, Calvin. Salamat. Salamat din, Darwin, Mary Ann.
Yeah, thank you guys as always for tuning in. But yeah, so as we said during the eruption on July 1st, we didn't go live. We were prepping in case we needed to evacuate for any reason. But yeah, so the alert status is still at level 3, guys. Obviously no current visibility of anything much happening from this particular perspective.
Different, no? Business as usual po ang Tagaytay. Para po sa mga nagtatanong sa amin, may mga nagme-message po if Tagaytay establishments are operational. Yes, business as usual po ang Tagaytay. Marami pong mga establishments, mga hotel, mga restaurant open po. And kung saan man kami nakatayo ngayon, hindi rin po amoy asupre. It doesn't smell like sulfur.
Yeah, thankfully there's no particular smell in the air. Just pretty much a normal Tagaytay day. There's still a little bit of a breeze. And yeah, guys, I just want to reiterate, I know this is a different view for us, so just want to pan back just a little and give you a full look of where we are. So this again is the newest Bulalo Capital restaurant, literally opened just this past weekend, guys. But it has a really spectacular view. This is actually a broadcast from their parking lot. We just got done having some lunch here. But if you are coming to visit, really great location to catch a new view or new perspective of Taal Volcano. But yeah, guys, as always, because we were grabbing some lunch and we're in the area with a good view, we wanted to go live and bring you the latest update. Again, alert status is still level 3.
MAGMATIC UNREST. Wala naman po kaming naramdaman na lindol din dito. Hindi ko po alam kung may naramdaman yung mga kabatang natin. Ingat po kayo, saka yung mga in-evacuate. Ayan, stay safe po. Napanood namin din sa balita na nag-umpisa na yung vaccination sa mga nasa evacuation centers.
Yeah, they did evacuate the lower Batangas barangay, yeah?
Yes, Agoncillo and Laurel.
So, actually starting to feel, I don't know if it's rain or just something dropping. But feeling some drops. Yeah, there's another one.
Ayan, ambon.
But anyway, guys, we are gonna cut this one here. Again, we just want to give you a quick live view. Obviously nothing currently developing at this particular moment, or nothing visible. But yeah, we just want to bring you the live feed as always, because we have friends and family both locally and internationally that been requesting us to go live ever since alert status 3, guys. So this was the earliest we were able to get out and catch a view, so we wanted to bring you a quick look. And yeah, guys, that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed this update, and yeah, as always, guys, we will do our best to bring you live updates whenever possible, whenever safe. And yeah, in the meantime, guys,
Yes, salamat po sa mga nanood. Keep safe po kayo dyan. yung mga nangangamba po pa sa mga kamag-anak nila, ito po yung live stream po ng Taal view from Tagaytay. Maraming salamat, keep safe po, and patuloy po tayong magdasal na hindi na po maaring, na hindi na maging ganon ka mapinsala kung sakaling kailanganin talagang pumutok ni Taal. Maraming salamat po, ingat po sa lahat.
Alright guys, we will cut this one off here, and thanks so much to Bulalo Capital for their new venue and their new view of Taal. And yeah, if you're coming to Tagaytay on the weekend, guys, another great place to come check out. But we will sign off for now. Stay safe, and we will keep you updated as always. And thanks so much for watching. Until next time, guys.